Hi guys, kain ulit tayo ng Häagen-Dazs caramel collection. So, nakain ko na yung vanilla caramel brownie, caramel biscuit and cream, at saka dulce de leche. So, ang naiwan na lang is yung salted caramel. Linas ko tong salted caramel kasi hindi ako fan ng salted caramel. Hi, do you want ice cream? Hmm? Hmm? You seeing? You want some ice cream? Oh, that's not nice.
It's nice.
That's not nice. Kain tayo guys. Ayaw niya. Do you want some ice cream?
Hi.
Hi. Actually, hindi naman siya, ano. Okay naman siya. Kasi hindi lang talaga ako fan ng, salted caramel. So, ayan guys. Okay naman siya. Actually, mas okay pa nga ito kumpara sa vanilla eh. Bye guys.